Hello everyone, welcome back to Real Literature and Random Videos channel by Neha Sultana. So before jumping to the video, I would like to say that if you are new here, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon and subscribe to my channel and like the video and share it with your friends. So in today's video, I'll be discussing 100 present tense sentences. And the first one is, here you go. मैं खाना खा रहा हूँ. I am eating food. वह खेल रहा है. He is playing. वह खेल रहा है. He is playing. वह पढ़ रही है. She is reading. वह पढ़ रही है. She is reading. हम सो रहे हैं. We are sleeping. हम सो रहे हैं. We are sleeping. तुम समय पर आ रहे हो. You are coming on time. तुम समय पर आ रहे हो. You are coming on time. वे बात कर रहे हैं. They are talking. वे बात कर रहे हैं. They are talking. वे बात कर रहे हैं. They are talking. यह फूल खिल रहा है. This flower is blooming. यह फूल खिल रहा है. This flower is blooming. मेरा भाई खेल रहा है. My brother is playing. मेरा भाई खेल रहा है. My brother is playing. यह बिल्ली भाग रही है. This cat is running. यह बिल्ली भाग रही है. This cat is running. वह लिख रहा है. He is writing. He is writing. वह गाना गा रहा है. He is singing. He is singing. तुम्हारी माँ कपड़े धो रही है. Your mother is washing clothes. तुम्हारी माँ कपड़े धो रही हैं. Your mother is washing clothes. यहाँ बारिश हो रही है. It's raining. It's raining. मैं चाय पी रहा हूँ. I am drinking tea. I am drinking tea. वह समय पर पहुँच रहा है. He is arriving on time. He is arriving on time. तुम गाड़ी चला रहे हो. You are driving the car. You are driving the car. वे घर की सफाई कर रहे हैं. They are cleaning the house. They are cleaning the house. मैं अब पढ़ रहा हूँ. I am studying now. मैं अब पढ़ रहा हूँ. I am studying now. वह अब नहा रहा है. He is bathing now. He is bathing now. तुम समय पर काम कर रहे हो. You are working on time. You are working on time. यह चित्र बना रहा है. The picture is being drawn. The picture is being drawn. वह बाजार जा रहा है. He is going to the market. He is going to the market. तुम्हें समय पर सोना चाहिए. You should sleep on time. You should sleep on time. वह अब बाल सींच रहा है. He is watering the plants now. He is watering the plants now. मैं घर साफ कर रहा हूँ. I am cleaning the house. I am cleaning the house. वह अपने दोस्त से मिल रहा है. He is meeting his friends. He is meeting his friends. तुम्हारा कुत्ता खेल रहा है. Your dog is playing. Your dog is playing. मेरी बहन कहानी सुन रही है. My sister is listening to story. वह अब खुशी मना रहा है. He is celebrating now. He is celebrating now. तुम्हारा बेटा अब बैठ रहा है. Your son is sitting now. Your son is sitting now. यह फूल सुंदरता फैला रहा है. This flower is spreading beauty. This flower is spreading beauty. वह फिल्म देख रहा है. He is watching a movie. He is watching a movie. तुम अब खाना बना रहे हो. You are cooking now. You are cooking now. मैं तुम्हें बता रहा हूँ. I am telling you. I am telling you. I am telling you. वह अब रोज़ी कमा रहा है. He is earning a livelihood now. He is earning a livelihood now. तुम अब खुश नहीं लग रहे हो. You're not feeling happy now. He is playing now. वह अब खेल रहा है. वह अब खेल रहा है. मेरे दोस्त खुशी मना रहे हैं. My friends are celebrating. My friends are celebrating. वह अब पानी पी रहा है. He is drinking water now. He is drinking water now. तुम्हारा भाई गिटार बजा रहा है. Your brother is playing the guitar. Your brother is playing the guitar. यहाँ नया गाना बजा रहा है. This new song is playing. This new song is playing. बज रहा है. मेरा बेटा बहुत खुश है. My son is very happy. मेरा बेटा बहुत खुश है. My son is very happy. तुम्हें जल्दी सोना चाहिए. You should sleep early. You should sleep early. वह अब चित्र बना रहा है. Now he is drawing a picture. मैं अब फल खा रहा हूँ. I am eating fruits now. मैं अब फल खा रहा हूँ. I am eating fruits now. तुम्हें अच्छा लग रहा है. You are feeling good. You are feeling good. You are feeling good. वह गुरुद्वार जा रहा है. He is going to the गुरुद्वार. He is going to the गुरुद्वार. मेरा बेटा खुद काम कर रहा है. My son is working himself. My son is working himself. तुम अब किताब पढ़ रहे हो. You are reading a book now. You are reading a book now. वह अब बारिश का मज़ा ले रहा है. He is enjoying the rain now. He is enjoying the rain now. मैं अब खुश हूँ. I am happy now. मैं अब खुश हूँ. I am happy now. I am happy now. तुम्हें अब किताब पढ़नी चाहिए. You should read a book now. You should read a book now. वह अब खाना खा रहा है. He is eating food now. वह अब खाना खा रहा है. He is eating food now. तुम अब गाना गा रहे हो. You are singing now. You are singing now. You are singing now. वह अब क्रिकेट खेल रहा है. He is playing cricket now. He is playing cricket now. मैं अब बाज़ार जा रहा हूँ. I am going to the market now. मैं अब बाज़ार जा रहा हूँ. I am going to the market now. मैं अब बाज़ार जा रहा हूँ. I am going to the market now. वह अब नए कपड़े पहन रहा है. He is wearing new clothes now. He is wearing new clothes now. तुम अब पानी पी रहे हो. You are drinking water now. You are drinking water now. मेरे भाई अब चौकीदारी कर रहे हैं. My brothers are doing watchman duty now. My brothers are doing watchman duty now. वह अब फ़ोटो खींच रहा है। He is taking photos now. He is taking photos now. मेरी माँ अब खाना बना रही है। My mother is cooking food now. My mother is cooking food now. मेरी माँ अब खाना बना रही है। My mother is cooking food now. My mother is cooking food now. तुम अब टीवी देख रहे हो। You're watching TV now. You're watching TV now. वह अब व्यायाम कर रहा है। He is exercising now. He is exercising now. मेरे पिताजी अब किताब पढ़ रहे हैं। My father is reading a book now. My father is reading a book now. तुम अब स्कूल जा रहे हो। You're going to school now. You're going to school now. You're going to school now. वह अब अंग्रेज़ी सीख रहा है। He is learning English now. He is learning English now. मैं अब तुम्हें देख रहा हूँ। I'm watching you now. I'm watching you now. I'm watching you now. तुम अब बाल कटवा रहे हो। You're getting a haircut now. You're getting a haircut now. वह अब फूलों को पानी दे रहा है। He is giving water to the flowers now. He is giving water to the flowers now. मेरी बहन अब खेल रही है। My sister is playing now. My sister is playing now. तुम अब बच्चों के साथ खेल रहे हो। You're playing with children now. You're playing with children now. वह अब व्यापार कर रहा है। He is doing business now. He is doing business now. मेरी दादी अब उम्र के बातें कर रही है। My grandmother is talking about old times now. तुम अब बजाज की बाइक चला रहे हो। You're riding a Bajaj bike now. You're riding a Bajaj bike now. वह अब कहानी सुन रहा है। He is listening to a story now. He is listening to a story now. मेरे भाई अब स्कूल जा रहे हैं। My brothers are going to school now. My brothers are going to school now. तुम अब पानी से नहा रहे हो। You're bathing with water now. You're bathing with water now. वह अब विद्यालय में पढ़ाई कर रहा है। He is studying in the school now. He is studying in the school now. मेरा दोस्त अब खुशियों के लिए गाना गा रहा है। My friend is singing for happiness now. तुम अब ताज़ा खाना खा रहे हो। You're eating fresh food now. You're eating fresh food now. वह अब रेलवे स्टेशन पर इंतज़ार कर रहा है। He is waiting at the railway station now. मेरा बेटा अब खेलने के लिए बाहर जा रहा है। My son is going out to play now. तुम अब काम कर रहे हो। You are working now. You are working now. You are working now. वह अब स्कूल की पढ़ाई कर रहा है। He is studying in school now. He is studying in school now. मैं खुश हूँ। I am happy now. I am happy now. I am happy now. तुम अब खुद का समय बना रहे हो। You're making time for yourself now. You're making time for yourself now. वह अब रात का खाना खा रहा है। He is eating dinner now. He is eating dinner now. मेरा बेटा अब समय पर सो रहा है। My son is sleeping on time now. तुम अब अपना काम समाप्त कर रहे हो। You are finishing your work now. वीडियो अगर अच्छी लगे तो दोस्तों प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल, like the video, share the video, and if you have any queries, ask me in the comment section.